Yo, 𝐬𝐳𝐧𝐿 over here with one of my favorite cars ever made, Audi R8. Now, let's check it out. Introducing Audi R8. Absolutely timeless design. Also, this is the most affordable supercar you can get in Singapore. And this particular unit is in immaculate condition. Also, a lot of carbon fiber bits for you. Carbon fiber here, carbon fiber here. Of course, the highlight is this V8 engine. Very cool, 4.2 liter, pushing out a lot of power to all-wheel drive terrain. Also, interior got a lot of carbon fiber bits for you as well. Firstly, you have fully electric seats. You have carbon fiber, flat bottom steering wheel, very beautiful. All this is carbon fiber as well, and upgraded Android infotainment system as well. So guys, this car is really, don't miss this opportunity to own one. Now you all know what to do. Call me and we'll give you a good deal.